Hey guys, welcome to the video, and in this video I'm actually going to talk about why I downgraded from the GoPro 10 to the 9. Now I actually had the 10 with the whole creator combo, which comes with this media mod which allows you to add external mic. What else can it do? That's pretty much it. The mic that they actually give with the media mod is, as dumb as the GoPro itself. So it doesn't really help. In order to put another company's mic, you basically have to purchase this extra, which I got with the creator combo. But other than that, I think it's like 50 bucks or so. Absurd, but that's what it is. Another thing that this combo came with is this light. This light is pretty nice. As you can see, it's very bright. It can get to a very bright point, or we can also use it at a low light just like this, which is pretty nice too. It also has different temperatures and everything, and beautiful diffuser. And the best part of this is rechargeable with the USB-C, so very reliable light here. I love this light. It's also expensive, but it's pretty nice. And then we also had the Volta, and this Volta is basically kind of like a little tripod or a stand, which stands like this. And this is also a power bank which charges the GoPro. And on top of that, there's also this mount here which you can use to strap it onto like a backpack or something like that, which is also pretty nice. So this is another one that was kind of like, I would say, was kind of worth it and is good quality, but sometimes it just shuts down and doesn't pair with the camera, so that's also another thing that GoPro didn't do well. And for the audio, I actually used this DJI mic, which comes in a pair of two with the receiver. Now the whole reason why I actually got a GoPro is because this is all I wanted to carry, and obviously that's never gonna happen because they're just horrible quality with audio and everything, so that's really hard to do. Now another con is the battery life. The battery life of a GoPro is very short, and this is why you're gonna see anyone with a GoPro carrying multiple batteries. Other glitches, of the camera turning off and on its own, freezing, all of that exists on its own. So a lot of cons. There's like very little things that I can say that are good about this, especially because DJI came up with their own cameras that are smaller than this and outperforms this by a lot of things. Now GoPro is a reputable brand, and this is why everybody, I guess, keeps buying this. And I actually bought it because I was very excited with the new GoPro 10, because I actually upgraded all the way from 6. So this was a huge jump for me, but I didn't see much of any difference in the quality of the video. Now the whole reason why I sold my 10 is because I actually wanted to get rid of the entire GoPro system, and someone actually wanted to buy the camera on its own without the accessories. So I actually ended up selling it for $300. So I didn't really lose much in there. I was trying to sell the other stuff on its own, but that's still in progress. But in the meantime, I actually found a kid with who was selling a 9. Now this 9 actually was pretty good shape, and there's no scratches or anything, which is another good thing. And he basically used it like twice on skiing. This actually might have been a gift or something, but he only sold this to me for $160. And weather's getting better, so I'm gonna ride my motorcycle, so I need an actual camera for my protection and everything, so I had to go and grab this. Now the funny thing is, this actually works with every single thing that I actually got with the creator combo for the Hero 10. And even so, that when the media mod box I opened in the unboxing video, as you guys can see, this was actually labeled as media mod for GoPro 9. So basically they just gave me a 9. They probably didn't even make one for the 10, and they just gave it to me. Now all of these are also compatible with the GoPro 11. Now I actually seen a side-by-side comparison of the video and audio quality, and there aren't much difference to spend the double the money on another camera that just actually worsens over time. Now Hero 9 was, outperforming the Hero 10, and then the Hero 10 was outperforming the Hero 11 in glitchiness. So obviously this acts as a surveillance camera for me when I'm riding my motorcycle, so this thing freezing up or having some sort of issue is like the last thing I want to deal with after riding my motorcycle.